Once there was an engine who worked on a railway. Now this engine didn't have a name or a number. The other engines just called him the Black Tank Engine. Well, do we have any mishaps today? Yeah, he's just bound to have a mishap soon. Shut your traps. Make us! Yeah, make us. Your builders made you. They can destroy you too. And that would be a sight for me. The manager will scrap you, and you all will die alone. The bigger engines changed their attitude after that. One evening, 2 years later, the Black Tank Engine puffed backward into the shed. Alright, boys, got any dark jokes tonight for me? Oh, hello, sir. Good evening, Black Tank Engine. Now, this evening, you won't be able to stay in the sheds anymore because we have a new engine. Sir, I don't know what kind of crazy prank you're pulling on me, but if you haven't noticed, this place is where I live. Not anymore. And why is that? Dudley, would you please take this engine away? Sure. Wait, Dudley, where are you taking me? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hey, take me back to the sheds immediately. No. Am I sleeping on this siding? If so, no. Do not back me up against the... Okay, Dudley, just stop playing this joke on me and let me go back to the sheds. Dudley! Engines, this is Mora. He will be taking the Black Tank Engine's place. Oh goody, it's so nice being in this shed. Oh, hello, fellow engines. Hello there. As the new engine Mora was sitting in the sheds chatting with the bigger engines, far away on a little siding was the Black Tank Engine. They think they can replace me. I'll show them. Soon, the 3 engines in the shed were all fast asleep. But meanwhile, over on the siding, the black tank engine's fire began to heat up. His driver was angry that his engine was being replaced, and so they weren't gonna let this stop them. The new engine, Mora, soon woke up and realized he was not in the shed anymore. Hey, what's going on? Your death, began the black tank engine, is what's going on. The coupling stuck. It won't uncouple. What? I'm done for! After the 2 big engines got the news about what had happened that night, they were scared that the black tank engine would soon come to haunt them every single night.